Good morning, my dears. I'm Elizaveta from Fethiye. I have these old ripped jeans. Today we will take a piece from here and make the necessary thin, very beautiful abrasions. I stabilize this piece of fabric. I put it in the hoop. And now I need to add a little design. The result is already starting to appear. This could be you and me. Done. I take it out of the hoop. From this square design, I need to make a circle. I cut off the excess. I make a loop from the denim seam. I need another piece of the same size. I will make it from different pieces of denim. We will fold this additional piece to the wrong side. I need natural insulation. Checking everything is fine. I put it in the hoop. I make a quilting. I sew the insulation to the main piece. I sew the loop. I cut off the insulation to the machine stitch. I cut off the excess insulation and fold this edge. I take a few more pieces of denim. This is where it needs to be attached. I also need a small piece of insulation. Now I sew all the parts together. I cut off the excess. I cut out the excess seam allowances. And I turn it inside out through this hole. I sew this hole with hand stitches. Voila! The hot stand is ready. Subscribe to the channel, share this video, like it. Good luck with your sewing creativity. Bye bye!